Good morning, traders. It's Christian Kerr, Senior Market Strategist at dailyfx.com, and this is my idea of the day for July 15th, 2014. Today we're taking a look at the New Zealand dollar exchange rate. I've been focused a lot on these lately because these are the ones that have been moving and giving us some nice price action. We'll notice this is a weekly chart of the New Zealand dollar. We'll see uh, on the weekly, you can tell we got really close to the all-time high, right around 80, 88.40, a little higher than that. Um, Switch back to the daily. We'll see. Last week we got there within a whisker, and we've come off. Now, the price action of the past few hours has been interesting. You'll see this. We've got this. So after that failure from last week, we started to accelerate a little bit on the downside. Part of that's based on the Fed Chair Yellen's testimony, Haram Briakin's testimony to Congress that's going on right now. She has acknowledged some of the improvement in the U.S. data. Markets are taking that as a little more hawkish, meaning that rate hikes might be brought a little forward, and we're seeing a little bit of dollar strength across the board. Um, that's hurting this rate at the moment, as well as we had the milk auction. New Zealand's a big producer of milk, so there's a Fonterra auction that occurs there, which has a significant impact on the exchange rate. It was a bit of a disappointment, and that's kind of the double whammy that we're seeing here. In terms of going forward, I think we need to be careful because the fact that we did test an all-time high, couldn't get above it, sorry, and now we're coming off. That has tendency to scare traders when you get to a major high like that and can't get through it. That's kind of psychology behind a double topping pattern. Um, but I would say we're going to be down one, two, three, four. We're going to be down 5 days tomorrow. And tomorrow, if you guys are aware, we actually have a really big event for New Zealand in terms of their CPI data that comes out. Market's looking for a 0.4% increase month over month. That could be a potentially important data point for New Zealand and the exchange rate. Some of my cycles say we could actually get a turn tomorrow. So if we do continue to go down into it and then kind of find support right around 87.35 or even 87.10, that area, and then we get some nice price action, I think that can even set up a trend resumption higher. So it's kind of what we're looking for over the next day or so into that big key event. Uh, a lot of the market's going to want to see that that all-time high get taken out to feel a little more comfortable. We're in that point where we could see a decent pullback materialize. If it doesn't happen tomorrow, if we continue weakness, let's say into Thursday, Friday later in the week, below 87, then I think you have to start worrying about a decent counter trend reaction unfolding here. So keep an eye on the New Zealand dollar exchange rate. It should set up some nice trading opportunities either way over the next few days, and especially watch it tomorrow on that CPI event. Good luck, happy trading. Christian Kerr signing off.